Good afternoon, students. Today we study lecture 5, synthetic dyes. Electronic concept, modern theory. There are two approaches to modern theory of color: valence bond approach to color, molecular orbital approach to color. Valence bond theory dealt with pair of electrons, while molecular orbital theory deals with single electron. That means in valence bond theory we are considering electrons, and in molecular orbital theory we deals with single electron. Means here in valence bond theory pair of electrons, and in orbital theory only single electron. Valence bond approach to color. According to valence bond theory, the electron pairs of a molecule in the ground state are in the state of oscillation, and when placed in the path of beam of light, the amplitude of the oscillation is increased when a photon of appropriate energy is absorbed. The molecule is now in an excited state. The wavelength of the photon absorbed depends on the energy difference between the excited and ground state. The smaller the difference, the longer is the wavelength of absorption. Example: in view of the valence bond method, ethylene may be regarded as a resonance hybrid of the structure 1 and 2, CH2 double bond CH2 and CH2 positive bond CH2 negative. The energy difference between ground state structure 1 and excited state structure 2 is very large, and so the energy of the photon required to excite ethylene is very high. That its wavelength is very short. It has been shown that resonance among charged structures lower the energies of both ground and excited state. Charged structures contribute more to the excited state than the ground state. The larger the number of electrons involved in resonance, the smaller is the energy difference between the ground and excited state. Thus, more extended conjugation in a molecule and greater the contribution of a charged structure, the longer is the wavelength of the light required to excite the molecule. For example, CH2 double bond CH2 lambda max 175 nanometer, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2 lambda max 217 nanometer, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2 lambda max 258 nanometer. The presence of plus I oblique plus R group or minus I oblique minus R groups at the ends of a conjugated system extend the conjugation as well as increase the contribution of charged structures to the resonance hybrid. Thus, wavelength become longer. For example, for benzene lambda max is 204, and on benzene ring NH2, that is aniline 230, nitrobenzene 270, and para amino nitrobenzene is 375. Molecular orbital approach to color. According to molecular orbital theory, an atom or molecule is excited when one electron is transferred from a bonding to an antibonding orbital. The following types of electronic transitions may occur in molecules, and their general order of energy difference is sigma to sigma star is greater than non-bonding electrons En to sigma star, which is greater than pi to pi star, and which is greater than En to pi star. Due to conjugation, the energy difference between the highest occupied molecular orbital HOMO and the lowest occupied molecular orbital LUMO is lowered, resulting in bathochromic shift. That is, lower energy is required to bring about the excitation of the molecule. Thus, as conjugation increases, the wavelength of absorption band increases, and when it reaches the visible region, complementary color will appear in the compound. Example: in polyenes, CH3 CH double bond CH taken n times CH3, when n is equal to 6, the absorption band occurs in the blue region, and so the compound is yellow, that is its complementary color. Benzene is colorless, but as the delocalization of pi electron increases between the chromophore and oxochrome, that is the conjugation is extended, it becomes color. For example, para-nitrophenol has yellow color due to extended conjugation, as shown. We are seeing here conjugation is there, and so it is yellow in color. Classification of dyes. Dyes are classified in three different ways. Classification of dyes on the basis of structure. Depending upon the type of chromophore present in their structure, the dyes are classified into following main types. First is nitro and nitroso dyes. Example: picric acid, naphthol yellow S, Martius yellow, naphthol green, alpha nitroso, beta naphthol. Azo dyes. Example: methyl orange, Congo red, para red, Bismarck brown, etc. Triphenyl or triaryl methane dyes. Example, malachite green, rosanilin, magenta color, para-rosanilin, crystal violet, methyl violet, aniline blue, etc. Phthalene dyes. Example, phenolphthalein, phenol sulfophthalein. Indigo and thioindigoid dyes. Example, indigo and thioindigo. Anthraquinone dyes. Example, alizarin. Miscellaneous dyes. Azine dyes, sulfur dyes, xanthine dyes, phthalocyanine dyes. Classification of dyes on the basis of mode of application is also there. Dyes can be classified into acidic and basic depending upon the nature of oxochrome present. So there are three types of classification of dyes depending on different characteristics.